Hi ladies, Felicia here with Camp Cares. I wanted to show you guys a video today with our mini zipper pouches. I was asked yesterday how I organize my bags, and this is one of the main products that I use to organize my bags. I use it to organize my backpacks, my diaper bags, my purses, my handbags, my crossbodies, whatever. I love the mini zipper pouches. So I'm going to show you guys here. This is the mini zipper pouch in our Diddy Dot print. It's a black background with white polka dots. You'll see I have this embroidered here, personalized with Believe. It is in hot pink. It is going to be auto-centered and auto-sized on the product that you select to use it on. And then I want to show you, it does have a D-ring. Now the D-rings are great because you can attach a wristlet to it. I've showed you guys wristlets before. And then today I'm going to show you a key fob. Now key fobs are awesome for so many reasons. This one I've actually attached the key ring on here. But you can use it for your keys, right? You just attach your keys to that, and then if you have a problem keeping up with your keys, it does have a lobster claw here. So you can attach that to any bag that you have, your purse, your diaper bag, whatever you carry around, so that you have your keys readily accessible. They're not lost, that way you can keep track of them. And then it's a wristlet, right? So you can actually put your hand in there. So you can just carry it with you, your zipper pouch, your keys, whatever. It's awesome. Also, you can use these for your strollers. If you guys are using a stroller, like I still am, you can put one on each side of your bag, and then you just wrap this around your handle, and then you have one on the other side, and then any bag you have is a stroller bag. So that is really awesome for these to use for that. So yeah, so this is a key fob. Really inexpensive product and so versatile. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know. I'll be happy to answer those questions for you and show you the available prints. You can also go to my website at my31.com/campcares and see the available prints that we have for these. This is our special celebrating our 15 years of 31. I love that it's pink and black. I just love pink, and it coordinates really well with my mini zipper pouch. So these, they'll just hold about anything. This is just a little notepad. Got a gum in here, a lip balm. Pins will fit wonderfully in here. So it's just great to organize your bag. It actually helps if you have a spouse or significant other wanting to get something out of your bag and don't know which bag to use. I like to get these in different colors. So you just tell them, grab the black one, grab the red one, grab the green one. My kids know which one has their snacks in it, so I switch them around so they don't always know. But yeah, so that's a great idea. It helps when switching bags too, so you can just grab them out and go. You don't have to worry about like fumbling through everything, misplacing something. Oh, I don't know where I put my lip liner. Oh yeah, it's in my little zipper pouch that has mini zipper pouch that has all my lip glosses and lipsticks. So there you go. I hope that helps with any ideas for you. If you have any questions, like I said, comment down below. Send me a message if you want to. Be happy to help you. Again, my name is Felicia, and great to have you. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you click the little bell, you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Well, thanks again, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.